Planning to renovate your apartment in Dubai? Whether it's a cozy apartment or a luxury villa, knowing what essentials you need, how much it costs, and what areas to focus on is key to a successful renovation. In this video, LushLoom will guide you step by step. 1. Essentials required for renovation. When renovating an apartment in Dubai, make sure you cover these essentials: flooring, SPC, laminate, tiles, or carpets depending on style and durability. Walls and painting, fresh paint, textures, accent walls. Lighting, ambient, task, and decorative lighting. Kitchen upgrades, cabinets, countertops, and modern appliances. Bathrooms, tiles, fixtures, and waterproofing are essential. Window treatments, curtains, blinds, or shades for privacy and control of sunlight. Furniture and layout, functional and space-saving furniture. Utilities and smart features, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and safety upgrades. Prioritize essentials that improve comfort and safety before cosmetic upgrades. Average renovation cost in Dubai. Small renovation, painting, minor flooring, small upgrades, AED 50 to 80 per square foot. Medium renovation, flooring, kitchen, bathroom, furniture upgrades, AED 150 to 300 per square foot. Full luxury renovation, high-end finishes, smart home features, AED 400 plus per square foot. Costs vary depending on materials, labor, and apartment size. Key aspects to cover during renovation. Structural work, flooring, walls, and ceilings. Functional work, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. Aesthetic work, paint, wallpapers, and interior decor. Storage solutions, smart cabinets and furniture for maximum space utilization. Windows and doors, high-quality curtains, blinds, and door upgrades. Safety and utilities, fire alarms, AC maintenance, and waterproofing. Always do structural and functional upgrades first, then move to aesthetics. Tips for smooth renovation. Set a clear budget and stick to it. Use durable and low-maintenance materials for long-term value. Plan electrical and plumbing work before painting or flooring. Hire experienced contractors or interior consultants to avoid mistakes. Consider multifunctional furniture for smaller apartments. Outro. Renovating your apartment in Dubai can be a seamless and rewarding experience if planned carefully. Focus on essentials, set your budget, and prioritize durability and functionality. For professional guidance and high-quality renovation solutions, contact LushLoom Dubai today and transform your home into a modern, luxurious space.